Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how to use a curling iron and a wand. And anyone that knows me, you know I'm anti-heat, but once in a while we do need it. So if you use it once in a while, you're not really going to do much damage to your hair. And if you know how to do it properly, then you're really not going to damage your hair. I already put into my split ends mending cream on my ends. I colored my hair, and when I blew it out, I just kind of dried it down with the Gamma blow dryer that I like. So you're just going to take one strand, and I'm going to use the curling iron. So you're going to just open the clamp here, and you're going to start in the middle, well, slightly over to the root. You're going to start turning, and as you're turning the handle here, you're going to slowly slide down. Don't open it all the way. Slide down. And you might want to just, I like, of course, the end slightly straight. That's one. Always use a leave-in protecting heat cream. Mine just came in today. I'm really excited. I'm still doing my products. Even though we're closed for business, I'm still busy planning and getting ready. My fingers at the same time, slide down and down and let go. Here's before. I guess I'm doing this with the iron. So you just take the wand. It's not even reaching that much. You want to go lower. You just take it out. You know the 2 braids that I do before I go to sleep. And turn. Just go around. This one's really easy. And then turn. Okay. I'm going to take the iron, barely a bend, so I'm just going to take this very quickly. I always like to come out with new ideas and new weights. Okay, just do it more. Just wrap it around the iron. I mean, some people go this way. I don't try to.
Take my number and lock it in. Indian hand on my house again. Black Tim's all on your couch again. Black Dick.
Okay, the other side, you're going to take, go in. Back. I just use the iron or just use the wand. I'm just having fun. Go back. When it's a thicker section, you're going to the hair. I'm going to finish it off with my serum. Good. Put on your skin too.